Alright, ladies and gentlemen, what is up? We just made a quick 20-minute marketplace deal, and I'm gonna go up and pick it up now, and I'm gonna see what the boss thinks of it. I'll see you in a minute. Alright, so we're currently on the highway. We are in Thorburn Lake, and we're about 15-20 minutes from it, towards the Rook. I think that's where I gotta go get it. Yeah, I'm gonna pop it up now. That's what the bike's gonna look like. Well, you're gonna see it in a minute anyway, but yeah, hopefully this will be kind of fun. I just kind of been wanting Pitbike for like a while, and I just haven't been able to find a deal, and I made a deal, so we're ready. Alright guys, we are currently in the lane. We're just looking for the house now. Oh, I think I see it. Yellow garbage box. That's what I'm looking for. So we're gonna try and set the camera up so you guys can see the deal. I don't know if it'll pan out, but I guess I'm gonna go for the deal. Looks like we're doing it, boys. Alright, boys. Fuck. Just lost my fucking air freshener. Okay, 14 minutes right there that I have to edit. But we secured it's a 70. But we secured the Pitbike. You can see the bars back there. We're gonna hopefully have an alright little rig there. It didn't start. But I also flooded it, I think. Because, you know, it has e-start, which is really weird for a Suzuki. It's a DRZ, but you know, it's still cool, I guess. E-start. I'm gonna gas up at the gas station, but I think it's low on gas, and hopefully it'll run good. She was kind of hot too, but I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Kind of hot. Alright guys, this shit is a bit of dime, but I'm gonna finish putting on the plastics. The boys just left, and then I'm gonna start a time lapse or something of me doing the graphics. Alright, we got the plastics on. Liam came up after. He's doing the bullshit ones because I don't really want to. I'm about to start with the graphics now. Wish me luck. Alright guys, we did a bit off camera. We got the number plate on, which actually turned out really good, the number plate did. Oh my god. I'm impressed. There's a few bubbles in this up here around the master thing, but that's fine. For the most part, the front fender turned out okay. This one I think might be my favorite, I'm not gonna lie. It looks sick. This one actually, no, this one's my favorite. This one turned out really good, other than like a wrinkle or two. But like, other than that, like, it was a really good job done with this one. And I'm very happy with it. This one has a lot of bubbles, but it's fine. We're gonna pop it out in like 20 minutes anyway. And these ones are really weird, I think. But you know what? We're just gonna persevere and hopefully it'll work out, I think.
1 week later.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are, as you can tell from the title, we're going to turn over to teach Cameron how to ride for the day. We got the bike loaded up. We did this last night. My bike looks so fucking good. Holy shit. We're getting ready. I'm going over to pick him up now. It's like 9 o'clock. We're going up. Hopefully. The goal today is to get him to hit a jump. That's my goal, personally. We're gonna see if we can make it happen. I'll see you when Cameron gets in the car or truck. What's up, little jits? What's up, dude? We got Cameron. We got the bikes. We're getting ready. We're on the way. We're on our drive, our journey. Journey to Terra Nova, boys. We're teaching Cameron how to ride. I said my goal is to get you to hit the jump. I'm gonna hit a jump, I don't care. This is the first thing I'm hitting. We're getting him to hit the jump, guys. Wish him luck. He might die. See you later. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you're at the camper. We've made it. I haven't seen my beautiful quad in a week. No, 2 weeks. 2 weeks I haven't seen my quad. What's up, boys? We got the barbecue. We're gonna have some hot dogs later. Some food right here. Got a case of water that we're leaving up here because we need the water so we can be hydrated. Hydration is key, especially on hot days like today. We're gonna offload the bikes. I think I'm gonna have to go over to Gavin's and get some heat put to my graphics. All right, guys. Today we are teaching Cameron how to ride a dirt bike in the sand because he kind of got it figured out otherwise. Me and my turbo whistle dirt bike. I don't know, probably not. Look at that fat boy over there. My gloves are so flat. Holy shit. Now, I haven't really rode a bit, but I also got a brand new tire. This shit's kind of scary, I'm not gonna lie. My bike's so slippery too with the fucking graphics SU1 and that. Fuck.
Fast lane when I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. Simcoe's been asking for me on the road from the west to the east. Way up, I might never come down, cause the coast racking up the flight miles. So high, I might never come down, so what, this is my lifestyle. Wait a minute, Work hard for the car, so that's why it's all tinted. Wait a minute. Had a real late night, woke up with my head spinning out in Nashville. It's been mad real. I need sunglasses, I need Advil. I like fake boots and my cash real. I like first place, you're in last deal. Fast lane when I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. Central's been asking for me on the road from the west to the east. Wait, coast racking up the flight miles. So high, I might never come down. So what? This is my lifestyle.
Look, pocket rocket in my pocket. Please don't make me pop it. All these boys just wanna copy the style. Tell them we can stop it. Whoa, whoa. It's my destiny for the like LaToya. Like it found me my Beyonce, and she shotgun in the carpet. Grinding with the team, making C notes. In my pocket still full of green, call it CeeLo.
Holy fuck!
Look, I don't take L's. I just learn a lesson. Before I count the L's,
Like-
always count my blessings.
Fast lane when I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. Central's been asking for me on the road from the west to the east. So high, I might never come down. So what? This is my lifestyle.
Yo, Cameron, bro, that's embarrassing.
When I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. Central's been asking for me on the road from the west to the east. Way up, I might never come down, cause the coast racking.